Hey everyone, and welcome back. Are you trying to jump into a game of Honor of Kings only to be hit with that frustrating matchmaking failed error? It is a super common problem, and it can be caused by a number of different things, from server issues to a simple bad connection. But don't worry, in this guide, I'm going to give you a series of quick working fixes for 2025 so you can get back to the game fast. Let's dive in. The number one reason for a matchmaking failure is a poor or unstable connection. The game needs a consistent connection to find a match. First, do a quick check of your Wi-Fi or mobile data. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data or vice versa. Sometimes a specific network can have issues connecting to the game servers. You could also try to completely close the Honor of Kings app. Make sure it's not running in the background. After doing that, restart your phone or tablet. Once your device is fully booted up, try launching the game again. This will give it a fresh start and a new connection to the servers. Step 3. Clear the game. Cache and repair files. Corrupted or outdated game cache files can be a major cause of matchmaking errors. Go to your settings and go to your app list. You could either search it on the search bar or just scroll it down until you find the Honor of Kings app. You will see there an option that says Storage and Cache. Tap on it. And at the bottom, you will see there the button with its icon Clear Cache. Tap on it. There you have it. One of these fixes should get you back into the game and stop that frustrating matchmaking error for good. If this tutorial helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Good luck out there, and I'll see you on the battlefield.